Chismo, every man in Jamaica fuck Chismo in a big hole. Chismo don't even know who breed out with a ugly son blood clot fiesta. Chismo a year blood clot there to the fuck out Chismo. Suck out Chismo a year there to the Chismo from blood clot while playing with the ugly blood clot son fiesta. Are you stinking pussy that a blood clot? We ugly blood clot that Chismo. Fuck out Chismo with tattoo man fucking at the blood clot basement. We're living at your mama house, big mouth Chismo. Fuck out rotten old Chismo, a year blood clot there today. But you make Erica send for you. Rotten old Chismo, the Batman son fiesta. The way I'm ugly and name in blood clot fiesta. Rotten that blood clot Chismo will get fucking a tattoo man basement. Chismo, a year there today Chismo. Chisme, tell the people them up tattoo man fucking at the blood clot basement. Chisme will fuck out the whole of blood clot Jamaica. They gonna show the people them how the video girl now tattoo man fucker. Chisme, I'm coming back for you. Chisme, you can't talk about my daughter Paris. Chisme, you can't talk about my daughter Paris. I make Erica go for you. Fuck out Chisme, what be a what a blood clot Chisme. With your ugly blood clot, son. Chisme tell the people them say you're fucking a tattoo man basement. Stay back, Chisme, with your foot shaped like capital K. Capital blood clot K foot Chisme. Me say me not done with that tonight, Chisme. I'm a team them a come for your blood clot. Dirty old blood clot, Chisme. You come and talk about my daughter Paris. Chisme, Fiesta is a batty man. Man fuck Fiesta and here, Chisme. Wanna hear that big word, girl, yeah? Wanna hear her? Here, Chisme. Wanna hear ya? Wanna hear the fuck out, girl, when I'm having a basement a suck blood clot tattoo man order. Here, fuck out, Chisme. Chisme, me and Barry coming for your blood clot. She's alright?
No, I'm just saying. Are you that son? You probably wouldn't believe this and never having a car.
I'm not done with Chisme today. Now go up there and make me deliver. And me I come back. Stay bad blood clot Chisme with a stinking pussy. Chisme tell the people and tell the whole of the man them at Jamaica fuck you out. You got Jamaica, you stay bad. Stay bad Chisme. Me not done with you. You fuck out the whole of blood clot White Plains Road, the man no want you. Right now, old Chismo living in your mama house. Me not done with her. Me I get I think I picture them. So roll up. Shelly and the girl bright. Shelly and she bright. Chisme, tell the people them to the last time I come here, you have to come beat your police account for me. Remember she tell police for me? When me come for beat up your blood clot, infested pussy Chisme. But you make Erica come here, come talk about my Auntie Michelle. Chisme, your son is a batty man. Your daughter fancy ear ever want come. Ever want come, big lip Chisme, body lip Chisme. Chisme a year for the whole week me I don't pan you. Want to picture them for give Barry. Barry want them. Odie and Shelly-Ann? Yeah? Chisme, show your ugly son. Where your batty man son fiesta there? When the Chisme and your ugly muggly blood clot that a fancy will be a shit in her fingernail them. And her panty crutches dot in her blood clot. Members of CJ fuck your daughter when I make you spend the night with me now. Chisme, members of my son fuck your daughter and push him out in her ears, Chisme. Dirty Chisme will live in your mama blood clot house. But you come, play back this for the people I'm here on the live. Okay. Go in there. Play it back. My hot daughter, look how my breath is sweat. You come talk about my nice clean cause showing a grudge with Chisme because your body is shaped like a blood clot, capital K. Chisme, your more big na blood clot. Chisme tell the people them say your son did get locked up for shoplifting blood clot what year ya. And you have a big blood clot, somebody go pick him up. Chisme with your ugly son and your blood clot Fiesta. Who name them Pity Fiesta? Big mouth blood clot, chismo a fucking a blood clot basement. Tattoo man say your pussy no good. Your pussy get wrong bang. Rotten old chisme. Chisme tell the girl him some come here yard for come blood clot beat you call the police for me girl. CJ Batman, your son is a Batman. Your son is a blood clot Batman chisme. Chisme a sundown TV of clothes. Fiesta want some clothes, Chisme. Big old Chisme and have no money and living in your mother house. Chisme member say, the blood clot man fuck your daughter and get infection in her pussy, Chisme. Fancy get fucking her pussy, Chisme member. Chisme, I got Chisme. Remember, so the last time them catch blood clot, Fiesta in the school, I finger the people and blood clot, Pitney. Remember, Chisme uptown. Mr. Water, I picture and forget to bury. Remember the last time when them catch Fiesta, suck up the little boy holding at the blood clot bathroom. Remember, Chisme, remember, say get fucking a blood clot tattoo man basement. Who get blood clot fucking a basement, Chisme? Nasty old Chisme got Jamaica where the people them say you stay bad in a blood clot. Chisme and you me a blood clot talk. Chisme what them the way Chisme pussy bad. All the man in the mechanic shop fuck her and duck her 233rd. Chisme how it go? The man in the mechanic shop fuck you and say your pussy not good, your pussy bad. The mechanic man, the big ugly man blood clot sledge. Every man fuck you talk about your bad old Chisme. You wanna get no ticky a beer wrong bang. And a facts me a speak. Nasty old Chisme. Chisme will live in your mama one blood clot bedroom. And your ugly son, the way your son ugly in a blood clot, that's what you name him. You name him Fiesta. Who named Chisme, where your baby father there? Chisme, where is your baby daddy? Chisme, your daughter pussy having infection. Me and your cousin Tracy chat about that. So you need to go blood clot to your daughter here. Chisme, your daughter ever look dirty and want blood clot beard. Everybody thought that. So your daughter dirty. The girl them say you ever look a blood clot free hairstyle for dirty blood clot fancy. Infection pussy fancy. Chisme, remember you make complaint to me, you know, and tell me to Fiesta fuck your daughter. Remember you eat Fiesta, Chisme, you run him every minute. Your Batman blood clot son, Chisme, your ugly son. Him are the ugliest spitting in the blood clot world. You can't call my son Batman. Dirty blood clot, Chisme. What fuck out the wall of blood clot uptown. Rotten old Chisme, you out me a Shellian. Me not done with you, bitch. Tell Shellian to send me the video them.
Send her the video them.
When she stop fuck. Send me them cause.
She said she gonna put them up on herself.
It aga revealed tonight. Nasty blood clots. Fuck out Chisme the wall of McAllen. Fuck out the 8 victim blood clot pussy. Nasty Chisme were uptown on the wall of uptown. Fuck out the hole. The barber man in a Miss June shop say your pussy stink na blood clot and smell like blood clot burn up onion. I can rotten old Chisme a year night tonight. Someone everybody send me a blood clot request. Hello? Hello? I'm coming, baby. Nasty Chisme, what you know about me? I'm a nice, clean blood clot Auntie Michelle. I'm a good blood clot cousin them. My good cousin blood clot Shirley and I will shape our blood clot nice body I kill you. Chisme all our you do you need to go do your big yabba shark blood clot mouth. Your mouth big like blood clot Titanic ship. Fuck out Chisme. Chisme your foot shape like blood clot capital K. Me and your blood clot, I try to drive, me I drive. But you make so good, Erica. Erica, when you call Chisme, you're still a bad mother. Where is your one blood clot, son? I want to add that page tonight. In the most irritated. Because it's I reveal. Chisme tell them why you eat my Auntie Michelle, cause you can't get to suck no more wood in our blood clot basement tattoo man order. She's still alive, Tita. The big pussy stinking girl, mystery lady, make stuck with Erica call her. But she a class, my pitney them. She for tell the people them say Auntie Master go catch her daughter, her son and fuck her daughter in the closet. When Auntie Master they live up at your house, Chisme tell the people them that. Me have show you who wanna add my punch in the most hated me I go over there right now. Cause me have show you in the basement and fucking a suck the tonight. Chin the most hated. She bright in the blood, big mouth, chisme where your foot, chisme your foot shape like capital K, chisme when you walk by your blood clot forward, you walk like you drop. With your ugly blood clot son, the way your blood clot son, ugly chisme. You say we am ugly like him name Fiesta. Who named them kids blood clot Fiesta? Dirty chisme, you do belly and back and everything. Chisme gonna do your mouth, your big mouth. All you talk about blood clot, rotten teeth, your pussy rotten chisme. Your daughter ugly no blood clot, me gonna do no tonight.